By default, Laravel create a user registration table in migration directory, and can be migrate to database using migrate command. By default, Laravel includes an app/user eloquent model in your app directory. This model may be used with the default eloquent authentication driver. Laravel ships with several pre-built authentication controllers. The confirm password handles password matching, the forgot password controller handles emailing links for resetting passwords, the login controller handles authentication, the register controller handles new user registration, and the reset password controller contains the logic to reset passwords. Each of these controllers uses a trait to include their necessary methods. While Laravel does not dictate which JavaScript or CSS preprocessors you use, it does provide a basic starting point using Bootstrap, React, and/or Vue that will be helpful for many applications. The Bootstrap and Vue scaffolding, provided by Laravel, is located in the Laravel UI Composer package, which may be installed using Composer. Once the Laravel UI package has been installed, you may install the front-end scaffolding using the UI artisan command. Generate login registration scaffolding. Now you can see here login registration scaffolding has been created successfully. As you can see, JS and CSS files are linked in app file in layouts directory. Now we will copy these codes from Bootstrap CDN and jQuery CDN links. Create a CSS folder in public directory, and make a file app CSS file in CSS folder and paste Bootstrap CDN CSS file code in this file. Create a JS folder in public directory, and make a file app.js file in JS folder and paste Bootstrap CD and JS file code in this file. Now make another file jQuery.Minnesota.js file in JS folder and paste jQuery CD and JS file code in this file. Now add script source of jQuery file that we have create in JS folder. Run project by using PHP artisan command, and test our work. In URL type register, a registration form will be open. Fill all input fields, then press register button. Now check user table in database, register record store in this table.